this, we are supposed to produce as many communities in a cross-cultural communication to present Islam as possible. So our job is to work together. Now, we need content. We need content. Where is this content? We provide you with the content that we have available, and there will be more coming, So the content that we are providing you with is not any content. It's a content that has been that has been vetted, evaluated. It's so expensive. The best content you are having. Now you can use this content with your, of course, with your society, with your people, wherever you are. You're supposed to be using this content. So it's very important to understand why EIECC exists, why Dr. Khalid is so keen and spreading this message about EIECC, because the more we do, the more we have communities of commitment, the more the message of Islam will be shared, but we have to work hard together on sharing it, as an Islamic exhibit on the move. Now, let me move here to the goals. So what are the goals? What are the goals, the three goals, the most important goals for EIECC? The most important goals for EIECC is, the first goal is what? The first goal for EIECC is the three goals that are very important. Now remember, I might be repeating these goals several times, but I want you to think of why I've chosen these goals. Why I have chosen these goals. Many of you have attended maybe my program before, but I deliberately want you to understand why I have chosen these goals. Developing global leadership from within. This is the trick here. This is the secret. This is the power from within. You don't wait for somebody to spoon feed you. So developing global leadership from within to present Islam effectively. This is number one. And from within, this requires a lot of work, by the way. Many people think the goal is just there to read it. No, every word has been chosen for a reason. So when I say from within, that requires a lot of work, whether it is the sincerity, preparing yourself Islamically very well, whether it is preparing yourself in dhikr and supplicating and becoming a better Muslim. There is a lot of work that you have to do on yourself. لأن الله سبحانه وتعالى لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم. This is why there needs to be a lot of work for each individual on the self.